pervert loser boyfriend cheating on you yet? Mr. Hui told me there was a
Hey, what can I do for you?
Hello.
Wait, the Knox Security Company has refused to pay protection money. If you see their vans, hijack them and bring them to one of our garages.
Sounds good. I'll grab them if I see them.
I'm from Logan Ed. You hear the guitars, but this ain't no rock band. I steer this big car because I'm a rock man. And my homeland is hard to withstand. That's the beach in my SeaWorld. The Southeast is contraband. Fire car, back truck, yellow tape, a fellows out straight while this rap wash. A pistol, but if you ain't talking to nigga, and I'm king, so you just call me an ice blood orgy. Flop at the tap of a push button. More revenue than most niggas are still on the block. They because I got something to lose, their ass won't get shot. What's a real factor? Always a clacker, make carnage out of niggas that think they a change niggas. City full of brain blasters. San Diego filled with damn homies that some little niggas named after. Don't get it fucked up, nigga. Just put a nigga hopping out this B-car. Don't mean a nigga won't splash you, nigga.
Pure chocolate and 100% wow appeal. Now available in all good retailers or a supermarket near you. Cute chocolate. Probably the best chocolate you'll ever taste.
Clean, fast, completely untraceable. What more do you want in transportation? What, stolen cars aren't good enough for you all of a sudden?
Armed robbery. We need available PTU to respond.
We're on our way. Don't move, you're under arrest.
Turn off the little jump fan, so now we have the audio.
Pissed off the wrong people, man.
Look, at least we kept Siwa alive.
Yeah, that may be just what saves us. We're gonna bump Uncle Po's car. Hoping that does it. It's not fair, you know? Look what I built. The night market. All of North Point, really. The dog eyes gets green. What was I supposed to do, huh?
Just what you did. Look, you can't back down from that asshole.
You and him are listening, huh? Well, me too. Listen, man. Anything happens to me, you look after our people, okay? We're a family. Family has to stay together. Duke, Conroy, they're good guys. But they're not gonna be leaders. I know Conroy gives you shit. You're proving yourself now. And he'll see it. Even if he doesn't want to admit it. Do me a favor. Look after Peggy and my mom, too. It's gonna be rough business. The one thing we got going for us is each other. Brothers, you know. I know people use that word, but it means something to me. And it should to you too. Not just that we're something evil. True brothers. Blood. We look after each other. And we look after the people we love.
Okay, Winston. CY told me he really works for Big Smiley, not Dog Eyes. I keep hearing his name.
Big Smiley is back in Dog Eyes, sure. That's where he gets the balls to come after me. Well, he has a lot of power. Along with drugs, he's into prostitution, porn. He even sells women across the border into the rest of Asia. The whole thing is run like an industry. Very sleazy, but big money.
Winston, we can't just walk in there, not if it's as bad as you say.
We have a lot of choice. It's the way it's done, Way. Besides, you can't hide from Uncle Po. If he wants you dead, you're dead. And I'd rather see it come, you know? You should be okay. But if I get my ass shot, do not do anything stupid, you hear me?
Okay.
Fuck off, John. Hey, Winston. What's wrong? You look a little pale, man. And Dog Eyes tells me you've been throwing your weight around. What happened? You guys used to be tight as shit.
Is he here?
Nah, he left a while ago. Without a scratch. Doesn't bode so well for the other parties involved. Go right in. Have fun.
Uncle Po.
Ah, Winston! Come in. Sit down. Have some tea. And you, young man, must be Way. Winston speaks very highly of you.
Winston has been a good friend to me. I tried to do right by him.
I like the way you think. That's the attitude that makes us strong. Loyalty, discretion used to be more common. Winston says you're the one who made sure Siwa was not arrested.
No, it was Winston's idea. He had to assert himself, assert his position, but he didn't want to inconvenience you in the process.
Did he now? In any case, you did well. I want to show you my gratitude.
Uncle Po, there's really no need.
Don't argue with me. Do you know Roland Ho? He has a business collecting debts. The other day he told me that he could use some help. It's quite lucrative, you know. Tell him I sent you. Winston won't mind in the slightest. Will you?
Thank you, Uncle.
Winston, relax. I know you were provoked.
Take the car across the street.
Yeah, you alright?
Things are gonna be okay. There's gonna be work to do. A lot of work. Stay ready.
I always am.
Look, in the meantime, getting swamped with this wedding crap. I may need your help with a couple of things.
Yeah?
Yeah. I tell you, it's easier to be a Red Bull than a groom. Let's stop by the restaurant when you're done there, okay?
Got it.
Hey, Roland Ho?
Just asking.
My name's Wei Shen.
Ah, right. You got friends in high places, my boy. I hear you and Winston have been making trouble with Dog Eyes.
Dog Eyes has been asking for trouble.
remember when I was like you, always looking for a fight, ready to kill anyone who so much as looked at you sideways. Here's a tip for you, kid. Don't take on a boss in your own triad unless you know for a fact someone else is going to back you up. Hierarchy is the only thing anyone cares about. Always have, always will.
Thanks for the advice, old-timer. So, can we get to work?
Okay, big man. 我睇你點做 Patsy Wing, bad luck in Mahjong. You will need this. Collect what she owes.
Stop the pain to the night. I'm a bit off, going bar, hopping, waiting to fight.
Just checking in, man. I heard things were kind of intense. Wanted to make sure you're still with us, you know?
Uncle Po seems to have a handle on who's causing the trouble.
That's a relief.
I gotta go, Jake. Gotta see a lady about some money.
Course to go home, like a thin chain from here to Brisbane. Printing names in vain, represent the insane. Gotta do it. It's not only putrid, true grit. Game disputes spit like bodily fluid.
You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Thing though. Got a car loaded with dope. Alright, what I have to do, bring it back here as soon as you can. Don't drive around in a stash car any longer than you have to.
Shen, finally. Where the hell have you been?
Look,
Do you have any idea what's going on? What happened at the warehouse?
Raymond, you ever actually read my reports?
The reports? All I have to do is read the goddamn newspapers. They're calling it a massacre. If it ever came out that the police were involved, we're dead.
It won't.
Well, you can't know that. You at least could have turned Siwa over to us. It would have helped our case.
That would have put the entire operation at risk. What does Pendrew say?
You know, he's not your handler. I am.
Well, then fucking handle it, Raymond. Well, how'd you think this was gonna go down? Huh? Whatever it takes. You remember that? You wanted results, and you can't get them sitting behind a desk, nose in a rulebook, with a stick up your ass. Look, Raymond, I am doing what needs to be done.
You've crossed the line. I'm going to terminate this operation.
You can't do that. Pendrew won't allow it.
Pendrew may like to take chances. I don't. And you are dangerous.
Fine. But before you go back to your office to try and pull the plug, go ahead and tell Pendrew that I just met the chairman of the Sun on Blue.
Chairman? Wait, you're just a foot soldier.
This foot soldier has just been marked for promotion. Because I made sure Suwal got out safely. It'll be in my report. And maybe this time you'll actually read it.
你想死？唔通我唔俾你死？我猜過你，養過你啊！你夠膽咪大聲啲！我猜過你，養過你啊！同阿姐玩嘢，你真係唔識死啊！你夠膽咪大聲啲！同阿姐玩嘢，你真係唔識死啊！
Territory. Hey, help me out. I'm leaving in a few seconds. All I need is a good driver.
What is it this time?
Let's go.
What the hell was that?
Yeah, Shablip was cheating at the cards last night. Thought I'd teach him a lesson.
Some fucking lesson.
Bet he doesn't cheat again.
No shit.
Think you can lose him?
You don't pull this shit, you gotta learn to drive.
Get behind us. You're driving crazy. lost them. Hey, you can just let me off anyway.
Why don't you have a whole bunch in your hand?
知唔知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？專踢屎忽鬼㗎！仲有得靠樣揾食啊！兄弟，幫我打撚爆佢！你想哇！你睇唔睇到啊？兄弟，收佢皮，我哇！哇！